Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the Dreame X60. If you're interested in the X60, the link to it will be in the video description. So, restarting is simple and straightforward. Restarting is different from resetting. This is just a simple power cycle. We're turning it off and back on, otherwise known as a reboot. So we're rebooting or restarting our X60. So our unit's currently on right here. You'll notice we have a blue ring and the power button. If yours isn't, press and hold the power button to turn your unit on or charge it up as needed. Our unit's on, so now we just simply hold down the power button here for a couple of seconds. We have our shutdown music. The light is blinking. And then these lights on the home and power button will shut off here. There we go. The unit is off. Now let's give it another second, but we can press the power button again. Hold it down for a couple of seconds. Then we'll let go. You'll see nothing's there. So press and hold again. Now everything is booting back up. So just give it a good couple of seconds to make sure that it is being held down long enough to activate again to turn back on. So 5 to 10 seconds should be good enough there. I didn't actually technically count, but you saw the first pass wasn't long enough. Now it's blinking. The lights are coming back on. And it's continuing to boot up. There's the startup music. Lights are blinking still. Module's coming up. Vacuum's initializing. It raised itself up. It's back down. The lights are solid. You're all set and ready to go. That's how you restart or reboot the Dreame X60.